Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can solve the ghost touch problem in Android. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So if you have been having the ghost touch problem suddenly over here in your Android mobile phone, first thing you can do is you can simply dust or simply clean your particular screen, because if there is any sprinkles of water that has been over there or any dust, that could be the reason. Or if it's damp because you have recently touched your mobile phone with even the sweat on your hand, or the water that you have recently water, then that could be the reason why your ghost touch is being activated. So simply go ahead, wipe your screen, then simply go ahead, remove your screen protector and case, and then add another screen protector if you want to do that. And then afterwards, simply go ahead and restart your device, and you can also update your software, and that is basically it. And if it still does not stop, then go ahead, you have to check it out with professionals from your mobile store itself. You need to simply go ahead, check it up. Otherwise, it should help you out. Simply restarting and simply dusting the screen of your phone will help you. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.